we go, South Boston Cycling. Dorchester Heights, right there. Dorchester Heights to Pleasure Bay. Do a little loop around this gorgeous area up here. Gotta get up here, Dorchester Heights. It's a public space, a park. They just redid it actually. Up on the top of Telegraph. Give you a quick peek at Telegraph. It's off here to the right. There's Telegraph heading down there. We're gonna head to Pleasure Bay, keep looping around this wonderful area. Go up there and hang out, do whatever. You're gonna get a really steep downhill in this one, downhill. And then you'll be right along the ocean. Stick with us. Now right here on the left, I think they should add some bike racks. It'd be very logical. Then heads up here, the surface is terrible. It's the worst part. All right, taking a right on G. It's a one-way. Careful here, heads up. You know, I've said this before. I mean, I'm 51 now. But even without that, I wouldn't be acting like a cowboy or an idiot going down these steep hills, or any hill. You gotta look at southie. My tune-up from Ferris wheels was excellent, as usual. That's my brakes now. Get some nice little extras too, I noticed, so thank you. Any of you who catch this video? Crossing 8th, G and 8th. There we go, there's the water. So we're gonna see where that second car is, a Vermont plate. Someone just pulled behind them. We'll ultimately want to get there and then be heading to the left. Hey, when you're coming off G, I want to be real clear. This is where you want to be, in this pedestrian spot, waiting for that signal. Because the signals give you green to the right, but not to the left. So you're gonna get over here and wait for this pedestrian signal, and then we're taking a left, heading out along the ocean, right where we want to be. So we're cruising along the beach here towards Pleasure Bay in South Boston. Up here, you're gonna get sawed off. No lane, but of course the boardwalk, there's two boardwalks, like each 100 feet wide, but no bike lane. Good place for exercise out here though, back and forth. You always got some breeze. Woo. Right, back in action here, past L Street. Official lane. I can feel the cars breathing down my neck behind me. I'm staying right here, protecting myself from any door opening. go, Pleasure Bay. Oh, beautiful out here today. Woo! There you go, jump in.